Hi there, Melody from WTI, and if you're looking for a gorgeous but very functional spoon and measuring cup set, have I got the set to show you. This gorgeous 8-piece set from Kian Bei store is what every kitchen needs. I love the handles. They are so nice, sturdy, easy to hold, and they have the measurements etched right on them, so no more mistakes. Now, the measuring cups and the spoons themselves are made out of a high quality food grade stainless steel with a gold polish. So these will last you forever and they will not rust. They are super easy to use, whether you're using them for something dry or some liquid. Your measurements are going to be precise because using stainless steel tools is the best way to get the most accurate measurement. And don't we want accuracy when it comes to all of our cooking and all of our baking? And if you do make a little mistake, these little measuring cups and spoons are perfect to just pour right back into the bottle without a huge mess. And I love, love, love how gorgeous these look as a decoration. I've gotten so many compliments on this set, so I am so proud to say that I own one in my very own kitchen. What a special touch of class it brings. This set also comes in black. So such a gorgeous set can have a dual purpose in your kitchen. You can use it as decoration, but it's also there to use to help you with your accurate baking. I love everything about the set, the way it feels, the way it looks, and how accurate it is when I use it. Very impressed, and I know you will be too, and that's my point of view.